More from my COPD medicine. That's why I've got the power of 1, 2, 3 medicines with Trelegy, the only FDA-approved 3-in-1 COPD treatment.
Trelegy, the power of 1, 2, 3.
The civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Hardman, Tennessee, at 7:08 a.m. on John 11, 2022, effective until 12:08 a.m. Mysterious disappearances in the Memphis metropolitan area has been happening recently. It is unknown what is causing this, but it is advised everybody stay in their homes.
This is an immediate evacuation order for all counties surrounding Hardeman County in West Tennessee. An explosion happened 7 miles west of Middleton, causing the release of hazardous materials that are radioactive. All people in areas surrounding Hardeman County in West Tennessee are to evacuate now. Right now, it isn't known what the nature of this explosion is, but it is believed to be extremely dangerous. Please stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television, or other local media outlets for more information.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. Disappearances have been reported across the state of Tennessee. Cities reporting these disappearances include Memphis, Nashville, Knoxville, Chattanooga, Clarksville, Morristown, Murfreesboro, Franklin, Jackson, Johnson City, and Bartlett. It has additionally been reported that explosions are occurring throughout these cities, causing releases of radioactive particles across the areas. The situation has also been reported in the states of Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, and Kentucky. All residents within these states are urged to shelter in place immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all ventilation systems, close all fireplace dampers, and seal any cracks or holes on doors and windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. During your stay in the shelter, you should gather food, water, medicines, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries, specifically one with a no-weather radio band. If you are urged to evacuate your area, do so now. Before evacuating, tie a white-colored towel to a visible place such as a mailbox. If you choose not to follow these precautions, you may be putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television, and other media sources for the latest information on this situation.
The entire eastern and central coast of the United States is in danger. Many strange disappearances and explosions have been reported in the eastern and central coast of the United States. It is unknown why this is occurring, but it is advised.
This is an administrative message. It has been determined that the disappearances and explosions across the eastern and central United States have dissipated and that the threat to human life has ended. It is now safe for all residents to exit their shelters. However, those that have evacuated are strongly urged not to return home due to the massive damage in the area causing roads to become impassable. It may take a very long time for the eastern and central United States to be rebuilt, but at this time, you are advised to comply with civil authorities until further notice as the nation rebuilds. We are one nation under God, and we will make it through this stronger than ever before. May God help us all.